Assalamualaikum, and today we have a fantastic family scooter for 3 passengers where there are 2 adults and 1 child. Come on guys! So guys, as you can see, this is a fantastic family scooter for 3 passengers. You can have a child sitting in the front, there's a child seat, and you have this long comfortable seat where you can have 2 passengers sitting on it. It can be your child, it can be your brother, it can be your sister, it can be your mother or your spouse, and you can go on a happy family ride together. Let me show you the features of this wonderful parent-child Vespa style scooter. So let's just switch it on. These are the keys which come with the remote. This is the display. As you can see, it's got a nice big and huge display. Oh, let me just put the helmet for my little darling here. Okay, are you set? You have these wonderful 2 rear view mirrors. You have the forward. And then you have the reverse. We also have a leg brake which can help to stop the scooter any given point of time. We also have the hand brakes here, okay, and you have this wonderful roof here which can protect you from the heat of UAE, which you know is extreme. There's a fantastic box here as well which you can keep a lot of belongings of yours, and it can be locked. As you can see, it's got these 3 sturdy tires, 3 on the back and 1 on the front. The speed on the scooter can actually go up to 30 to 40 kilometers just so that it is really safe, and it can go up to a mileage of between 25 to 30 kilometers per charge. The charging is very easy and simple. All you need to do is you can just take the charger, plug it in inside, and then keep it on charge. 5-7 hours and you get a fantastic mileage. Are you ready to go on a drive with us? Let's go guys!